Hello everyone and welcome to Lauren's Travels. We're here at the Hard Rock Hotel and I am so excited. I've never stayed here before, so let's go check it out. Some of my favorite things about this resort is by staying here you get early park admission 1 hour early. Right now it's until Universal Studios. You also get Express Pass, unlimited express included with your stay. Honestly, so worth it. This resort is beautiful. I've always wanted to stay here. It's within walking distance to Universal, or you can even take a water taxi over. Love all, serve all, save the planet. Right in front of this awesome fountain here. So right when you walk in, you can see the security guard there. He is checking everyone's temperatures before you can even check into the resort. They also have this rock shop here. Has tons of Hard Rock specific merchandise, as well as famous bands like the Beatles here. And of course, they are known for the memorabilia, so there is some of that in the store as well. And they have a guitar from Gene Simmons from Kiss here. Look how cool that looks. And it's signed too. And there's kind of a glare. They're in a case, but these are a bunch of Hard Rock pins. And I've seen these for sale before in the store too. I do like to get pins, and I might need to get one to commemorate the stay. I'm kind of looking at this werewolf girl one with the moon, but this one is cool too that has Orlando and the moon. I'm gonna get one with the moon eventually. These are a pair of Elvis Presley's pajamas. Very silky. And I was just reading that this shirt was owned by Carlos Santana, of course. And the shirt was hand painted by San Francisco-based artist Calixto Robles. This one is pretty special. This was owned by David Bowie. Very metallic gold. I can't tell if it's gold or silver. Let's see what this says here. Gold. Yes, confirmed gold. This was worn on the '87 Glass Spider Tour. And in the lobby area, they have these very cool turntable looking tables. So like I said, the theming is everywhere, which is really cool. And of course, they have all of the safety signs here in the hotel. So I haven't seen one person with a mask off except for in the pool or eating. So far so good. Finding all the cool ones now. Lady Gaga here. Very dominatrix looking outfit. And let's see, it says that she wore this outfit in London while visiting a fashion exhibit in 2013. One of the restaurants here at Hard Rock is the Palm. It is a steakhouse, but they have some Italian food as well. And a quick overview of our room here. We have the 2 queen beds, and it is poolside. There's me, hello. What I really like is the mirror here, which I'll show you more up close in a minute. But very spacious. Got our TV. We do have our little mini fridge right there with the coffee maker. They wrapped up the remote control. Got this cool little record art here. The chairs and that pool, which I can't wait to be in. They have this mirror here, which has celebrity heights. Shirley Temple is right there at 4'2". Kristen Chenoweth is 4'11". Pat Benatar and Dolly Parton are exactly 5 feet, and it goes on from there. Snoop Dogg is the highest over there at 6'4". He would be the highest. I could have sworn I was 5'3". That's what it says on my driver's license. But my husband said I'm more of a 5'4", so maybe I grew? I don't know. Also, I decked out my camera or my phone case for some spooky vibes. Yeah. The bathroom isn't too special. It's just a bathroom. But we are not staying here for more than 1 night, so it's fine. But there is a sink in here. There's also a sink out here, so everyone can wash their hands. You got this awesome mirror here. I love that shape. And these cool drumsticks as some artwork. I like how colorful they are. Something I just noticed was this cool little bed light here, so you can read if you're like me. I won't be reading tonight though, but I think that's cool if you're staying here multiple nights and maybe you have kids that are trying to do their homework or something. Pretty cool. Before even checking into the resort, they do check your temperature and they give you these little wristbands so they know that you are safe and healthy and good to stay. If you do lose it for whatever reason, you just have to get your temperature rechecked again. And you do need this to access the pool and the rest of the hotel as well. And right before the hallway to our room, we had this really cool painting of John Lennon just staring at us as we walked down. Not creepy at all. But I like it. Right when we got off the elevators, this James Brown outfit greeted us. Very, very cool. And there's some information about James Brown, but I think we all know who he is. And this is just a cool view of the pool here. You can see the parks in the background. So close to Universal and Islands of Adventure. They have these really pretty fountains and sitting areas here right before you get into the pool. Oh, he's got some shades on. And a quick look at the pool here. I do see a slide back there, so I'm gonna try and go on that later. And then I don't know if you can see the guitar all the way back. I just noticed the clock there says rock around the clock. There's so many little touches to theming here. I love it. And right near the pool, they have their own marketplace, so you can get, you know, necessities like wine and candy and snacks. Oh, and I see this. I'm very impressed by this, so I have to come and check it out. Nicki Minaj ice cream and cupcake bra. That's so cool. So the resort pool here doesn't go very deep. It's about 3 feet. But what's really cool is you can hear the music that's being played underneath the water, which I really liked. So down here for our night swim, and I'm ready to do this slide. I got the GoPro with me, so let's see how it is. It looks pretty long. Taking the stairs and going under it. I might be the oldest one I see going on this slide, but oh no, there's a parent. I'm good. Oh god, I'm scared. Oh. Going faster. Uh-oh. Going in the pool soon. Have I mentioned I haven't gotten in the pool yet? Oh god, it's going faster. That was fast. I'm gonna try this again because it looks pretty cool. All right, let's go. This water is great. This slide is fun, but I'm a little scared when it gets close to the pool. Oh god. We also discovered they have music channels, all different kinds of genres, so that's kind of cool. And I just tried out some of this Sweetgrass shampoo. They have it in the conditioner, body gel, soap, everything. Has a good smell to it. I wouldn't say it's my favorite, but always like to try out the different hotel amenities. They also have a butterfly garden here, so I'm gonna take a quick walk through it so you can see. There's a lot of pretty flowers here, and I love these little trellises. Don't see too many butterflies just yet. They could all be waking up. Oh, just saw one. It looks like a moth. And it's so quiet out here. It just turned 9 a.m. And this is the day we check out. We did request a late checkout, which is noon. If you do anything after that, you do have to pay. And that was a quick walk through the butterfly garden. So I'm back home now and I can do a full review that we've stayed there and enjoyed it to our fullest. Check-in process was super easy. I like that they check your temperature right when you walk in. It's the same procedure like when you go to City Walk and just go to the parks. They check your temperature before you can even go in to make sure everyone is safe and following procedures. I think my only complaint was that the pool only went to 3 feet. I loved the slide, We got drinks out at the bar, and everyone that we talked to that was working was happy and just pleasant. It's a rough time now to be working in the hospitality industry with everything going on, especially because not all of the resorts and hotels at Universal are open right now. There were a lot of layoffs, so I think that it really helps to kind of give back where we can. We stayed at the resort because we got a really good discount. I am still furloughed, so I mean, we had to go for a deal. But it was also nice to just get out of our apartment for a little bit because we have been staying here, besides our quick trip to St. Augustine, the whole time since March. So yeah, it felt nice to just go and be around fun, happy people and at this fun, happy place, the Hard Rock. I've always wanted to stay at the Hard Rock, and something that I've always wanted to do there was rent the guitars. You can actually rent a guitar and they'll bring it up to your room. And but because of the pandemic and everything going on, that's not something that they were offering at the moment. Totally understandable. So that just means we have to go back someday. All in all, I think we had a great stay at the Hard Rock. I would recommend it for the simple ease of being able to access the parks quicker. Faster. That express helps so much. Even now when it's limited attendance, I really enjoyed our stay. I want to thank all of the team members that helped us out. It was such a pleasant experience. I can't wait to go back and stay at another Universal resort soon. Please leave me a comment down below on what you liked from this video, and I will see you next time on Lauren's Travels. Bye!